this is Poonam from Cyber Scam Review, and today I'll be talking about Silencel Scam Review. Silencel claims that it is the only genuine tinnitus therapy available. It's a cutting-edge nutrition supplement that claims to completely remove ringing in the ears and associated symptoms. Tinnitus has been considered incurable since its discovery. While some doctors may give antidepressants and anti-anxiety medicines to assist with ringing in the ears, tinnitus is not treated with specific medications. As a consequence, individuals are allowed to suffer in silence. On the other side, recent medical advances are getting us closer to treating individuals who suffer with tinnitus. Silencel does not obfuscate or divert attention from the issue. According to the manufacturers of the supplement, it addresses the underlying cause of the problem. It is thought to aid in brain regeneration to provide long-term protection against tinnitus and its potentially debilitating consequences. Tinnitus is an often misunderstood condition that may have a significant impact on a person's life. According to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, up to 50 million individuals in the United States may be suffering in silence. On a global scale, the numbers are much higher. Constant loudness in one or both ears is a symptom of the disease. The most common symptom is phantom ringing. The noise does not originate outside, but rather from inside your mind. While a little ringing may seem minor, many tinnitus patients will tell you that the condition is serious and impacts every aspect of their lives. The illness robs you of your alone and replaces it with an incessant drone. Tinnitus is often equated with constant agony by those who suffer from it, and there have been many recorded instances of the illness pushing individuals to extreme lengths. We will examine how this supplement claims to offer long-term relief from this debilitating disease in a candid Silencel review. Silencel is a relatively new tinnitus supplement, having been on the market for just a few years. The supplement's origin are unknown, but we do know that it was created by a tinnitus sufferer. For Henry Sanders, a research analyst at a pharmaceutical firm, the deafening ringing began out of nowhere. To discover a solution, he started studying all he could about tinnitus. Throughout his study, he discovered a link between tinnitus and brain inflammation. Dr. Thomas Peterson assisted in the development of Silencel. Silencel is not a panacea of tinnitus. Rather than that, it is a vitamin that may assist with the symptoms of the disease. This is accomplished by addressing the root cause of the problem. Tinnitus is not caused by a single external source. Contrary to common assumption, many people think it is caused by extended exposure to loud sounds or listening to extremely loud music. On the other hand, tinnitus has nothing to do with your ears. While these elements are unhelpful, the fundamental problem is much more serious. Tinnitus, according to research, is caused by brain inflammation. Twitching and erratic electrical impulses are caused by small enlargements in certain regions of the brain. As a result, you will hear a continuous resonant tone. It is your brain, not your hearing, that it is a blame. As it turns out, brain inflammation may be a symptom of something more severe. While this is not always the case, inflammation may raise one's chance of developing mental illness. Tinnitus is often used by physicians as a warning sign of vulnerability, therefore it is important not to disregard it. Each Silencel pill is composed of entirely natural substances that have been clinically shown to help alleviate brain inflammation. The drug is designed to gradually enhance brain function, thus removing ringing and providing long-term relief. It contributes to the reduction of inflammation in the brain. The first effect is a decrease in inflammation. It is the most critical stage of the procedure. With the potential to be instantly beneficial and life-changing, Silencel components contribute to the reduction of edema and nerve cell injury. Additionally, it eliminates undesired vibrations and electrical impulses. This removes tinnitus completely. There may be a reduction in loudness or an abrupt halt. The severity of edema has little bearing on the consequences. In any case, regular usage should contribute to the gradual decrease of inflammation over time. It assists in the healing of the brain. After then, the brain cells begin to repair themselves. When the inflammation subsides, your brain may begin to heal from the harm it has sustained. This may have a profound effect on your emotional and physical health. As your brain recovers from years of injury, neuronal pathways get stronger. Secondly, it contributes to the improvement of brain health. Mental sharpness improves as a result of all that brain growth. Silencel is unique in that it is intended to treat conditions other than tinnitus. Tinnitus is a serious disease that may cause damage to the whole brain. The vitamin contributes to the decrease of inflammation and overall brain health. As a result, you may be entitled for a number of additional advantages. If you're not distracted by tiny tastes, you may experience an increase in concentration. The fog lifts, revealing more clarity than ever seen before. Numerous individuals claim to have less headaches as well. The more silencer tablet dosage you take, the better. Remember how we said that tinnitus is often linked with other forms of mental illness. By treating the inflammation that contributes to tinnitus, you may be able to reduce the chance of developing brain damage in the future. Silencers manufacturers claim that it may provide long-term protection against tinnitus and other associated disorders. You may be able to significantly reduce your risk of getting dementia, memory loss, and other complications. Consider it an antidote to brain illness. It enhances overall mental well-being. Finally, silencing has a potential to significantly enhance your mental wellness. Tinnitus is not a joke. The continuous drone of phantom sounds has the potential to drive a person insane. Despite the fact that the issue is cerebral, it has a detrimental effect on every area of your life. By treating the problem with silencing, you may find that your life becomes more peaceful. Numerous people report feeling less anxious and apprehensive, which is usually a good thing. What is silencing? Silencing is made up of 28 different compounds. Each has been carefully chosen for its effectiveness and safety. Silencing is unique and that it is made completely of natural materials. It accomplishes its goal without the use of harsh chemicals or superfluous additions. As a result, the vast majority of people can take it without trouble. When considering dietary supplements, the first thing to consider is the possibility of harmful consequences. Silencing, fortunately, does not seem to have any unknown interactions. Bear in mind that this is an entirely natural treatment that contains no medications or chemicals. For your peace of mind, each component is natural and non-GMO. Is silencing suitable for all users? Silencing should be tolerated by majority of adults over the age of 18. There are no known adverse effects and it has no known allergen eliciting properties. Having said that, it is still prudent to contact your physician. Each dietary supplement has a biological impact on your health, while silencers benefit have the potential to change your life. You must first ensure that they enhance your health and lifestyle. Silencing is a time-consuming application. Silencing is capable of starting up very quickly. The compounds act quickly to elevate brain inflammation. Due to the fact that the components are completely natural, they enter into the body far more quickly than traditional prescription medicines. You may notice an immediate decrease in ringing after it. On the other hand, the most important effects will occur later. Silencing is most effective once the components have accumulated in your body. A steady supply of active compounds obtained by frequent usage may have a significant impact. Silencing is most effective when taken over an extended period of time. You may even be able to totally remove the ringing. Taking silencing is a wise option. Continued use protects you against recurrence. Additionally, it may aid in the prevention of future brain diseases. What are the advantages? Silencing will have a unique effect on each individual. On the other hand, this supplement is believed to have a range of life-altering impacts. The most apparent benefit is the elimination of tinnitus. There has never been a therapy option for the disease until today. You were left with no option but to deal with it on your own. Silencing enables you to finally experience ease and tranquility. This medication targets the underlying cause of tinnitus, brain inflammation. Rather than just hiding the issue or giving temporary comfort, it addresses the issue from the inside. It is a nerve repair product that improves your brain's general health. It's not only decreases inflammation but also improves healing and other long-term protection against a range of diseases. Supplementing with silica may also improve brain function, enabling you to be more alert, focused, and prepared for anything. Additionally, silencing is completely natural and risk-free. It's an excellent alternative to strong pain medication since it's chemical and drug-free. Silencing may be purchased only by the official website. Avoid purchasing it if you find it for sale elsewhere. Due to Silencer's groundbreaking technology and efficiency, many people want to capitalize on its popularity. Regrettably, there is a high level of scamming and fraud in Silencing. Silencing is available in single bottles or in bundles from the company that created it. Bundles provide the best value. Not only will you save on shipping costs, but you may also save by buying in quantity. The price of Silencing is as Silencer retails for $99. Silencer retails for $297 for 3 bottle set and $177 for 2 bottle set. Silencer 6 bottle set $594 or $294. Silencer advantages are sufficient to entice any tinnitus sufferer. If you are still undecided, the manufacturer's warranty may help ease your mind. Silencer's creators provide a 60-day money-back guarantee. If your tinnitus does not improve after 3 months, you may request a full refund. Even if you consume 2 full bottles, the business will refund your purchase without hesitation. For more information, you may contact the support staff through the official website. By clicking on our official website, you may try this tinnitus supplement risk-free and at a very cheap cost. Silencer is an intriguing chemical that may offer treatment for a disease that has mostly been ignored by a medical community. Tinnitus is a debilitating condition that may deteriorate over time. You no longer have to endure it with Silencer. The most intriguing aspect of the Silencer tablet is its approach to the problem. It is directed at the root of the problem in your brain. Other activities simply serve to divert your attention away from the ringing. This is not true in this instance. It enhances cognitive performance and decreases inflammation throughout the body, both of which contribute to internal ringing. As a natural supplement, it is entirely safe to use. It has no dangers but has a potential to provide substantial rewards. Thank you.